Have you mastered social media recruiting for your business, or you're still feeling like you're spinning your wheels? Especially if your upline is used to using old tactics that are working offline but not necessarily being effective on social media. You know, building on social media right now is like a gold rush of the 21st century, and you want to get the most gold. Watch this video. I'm going to share with you 5 steps to master the art of recruiting using social media. Hi, my name is Anna Stropnik, and I help network marketers grow their business online using attraction marketing so they can attract their ideal prospects to them and they don't have to chase or beg anyone to join and look at their business and create a lifestyle that they love. Consider subscribing to this channel, because on here every single week I share with you a new episode helping you with your business. And I also have a free attraction marketing bootcamp if you'd like to learn how to get more leads coming to you every single day. Then in the description of this video is where you can sign up. You have to do it right without spamming, begging, manipulating anyone to come and look at your business presentation. If you do it right, you'll never have to feel self-shame, embarrassment, or rejection ever again. Step number 1 in social media recruiting is you need to find your platform, your hub that is going to be where you're going to be mainly spending your time with. So this can be Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn. I just named a few that are the most popular for me, but it can be any of those platforms. In fact, we do recommend starting on Facebook, but that's not the rule. It's what most people start with when they're starting to build their business, because it is overall platform that has so many options that some others do not have. So pick your platform where you want to get started, and that's your first step. Pick your platform based on your target market, based on what type of posts you like to create. Maybe it's video, maybe it's short form videos, or maybe it's longer written posts with pictures. Number 2, create business presence on that profile. So your profile picture needs to look professional. You don't have to hire a professional photographer to take your screenshot, but it has to be a picture of you smiling, not your family, not your dog, but a picture of you. This is really important because it's the first impression that people have when they join your page. It has to be business-like, but not spammy-like. It has to be more in relation to what you're about, what your product's focus is, but not necessarily posting directly about your products or your company. Create and build your audience. Your audience is your target market. You've got to be very specific. I'm actually going to link a video to help you how to define who your target market is in here, because this is the first step. It's not about posting about your products or your company. You first need to attract audience. Number 4, now you're gonna start posting interesting, entertaining, educational content. You have to start being consistent on there, because this is your business now. You want to post 1 to 2 times per day. I do not suggest more than that. So for example, I post 2 times per day on my Facebook, and one of those is a written post and the other post is a reel, because I post reels every single day. But I don't necessarily make 2 posts on the weekend. It's 1 to 2. More than that is too much, because that was something that was maybe effective a few years ago, but now that the timelines are really restricted what they're going to show, and they want to show the best content, the quality is more important than quantity. Now you're building a community of like-minded people. Also share in your stories. It's your behind the scenes life. Share what's going on over there. So if you, whatever you're having for breakfast, lunch, dinner, it's okay to post in your stories, because people are naturally curious and they want to know about what's going on behind the scenes, but that is not content for your profile. So be active in your stories. Post 4 to 6 stories every single day throughout the day. Just take snapshots of what you're doing. It's very simple. And again, I need to stress, don't post about your products or opportunity, but what you need to do is, now that you're building your community, you want to engage as much as possible with people that like and comment. Send a message as well, not about your business, but just to connect and build relationships. Also go on the people that are following you, that are liking your posts, go on their profiles and engage with their content. So you want to boost your audience, you want to build your audience, and at the same time you want to boost engagement through these value-based posts. Number 5, you're going to advertise and promote only to your warm market, only to the people that are already familiar with you, that are following you, that you're engaging with. The best way I know how to do this is not by directly promoting your products or opportunity, but by creating a lead magnet. Now, what is a lead magnet? Lead magnet is a value that people exchange their information so you can provide this for them. And then that lead magnet will lead them into your list, because you don't own any of your social media channels. So I suggest start as soon as you can, start building your email list, your contact list, because for God forbid anything happens to your social media channel, that is something that you own. Now, your lead magnet in the beginning is going to be very simple. All you need is a simple website, few pages on your website, and you will need something called email autoresponder that is now going to be capturing those people so you can email them and keep them as your contacts. Once you master these 5 skills, you can then create campaigns using social media to attract your ideal prospects to you and pretty much automate your recruiting. And this is where it gets really exciting. This is what I'm doing right now, is I am building my business pretty much on autopilot. And if you're looking to attract your best prospects to you using these methods and mastering these 5 skills, then register for my free attraction marketing bootcamp. In the description of this video or somewhere around this video, there's going to be a button that you can click and register and put in your information. My question for you is, what is your preferred social media channel to build your business with? Drop me that in the comments. I would love to hear. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next video.